Hello beautiful, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to box this mystery box from GUZELbox.com. I love them. They are a homegrown Georgia business women, so they hit all the marks for me. What I want to do is unbox this for the third time. I don't know why I keep having problems with it. I lost the video the first time. The second one, it just won't upload no matter what I do. So here we are again. And so it's a mystery box that comes with a bag. Now, I got that bag last month, but here's the deal. I gave it away, and I kind of wanted it. So now I have it back. So, I mean, you can't get more better than that. I'm just noticing I have on makeup. You can't even see my blush, but I don't go in heavy-handed. I should when I do videos, but I'm actually going to my niece's today. So, but the first thing that's in the bag is this Wind Fig Cleansing Conditioner. And I am very excited, and thankfully haven't tried it yet since my video didn't upload. But I am excited to try this. I think it will do my hair twice since it is short. The next thing is a triple mask kit, which is, this one is ultra hydrating. Charcoal one is detoxifying. And the blueberry one is recharging, and it's Greek yogurt and probiotics, which I'm sure must be the blueberries. I know what's in here, so it's hard for me to get excited. But now I love this. I love this bag. So the next thing is from Sephora, and it's just a deluxe sample of their rose water mist. Rose hydrating mist. And I'm going to go ahead and try it because it doesn't matter what makeup I use now that the winter time smells a little like hairspray, but a lot like roses. I like it. Okay, so the next thing is this sample of Amazing Grace by Philosophy, and if y'all have never smelled this, I don't find scents and lotions a lot that I can tolerate. This one right here, it's just enough floral and woody mixed together, a little bit spicy, that it just is wonderful, and it looks like that. The next thing is called Beauty Blur. And I think it might be a primer or a BB cream. I'm not sure. It's in the color Latte. And I'm going to put this on my thin hand, my light hand. See, I got a dark hand and a light hand. Because that's how it is. This is I call this my driving hand. It's on the side with the window. Okay, so it is a little dark, but if it is, I'd have to see you can sheer it out. So I may see if I can wear that this summer or use it as a, it really does blur. I don't know if y'all can tell. It really does. But I think I could use it as a primer. That's what I think. Okay, so the next thing is a Peter Thomas Roth. I've got this in several boxes, and I haven't tried it yet, but I still plan to. Hungarian thermal water. So you rub it on your face, and it heats up. And I can't read the directions, but there it is. I look forward to trying that. It's too expensive, so I'll probably, if I like it, still can't buy it again. Okay, so the next thing is this Avon, and it's black. It's a black eye pencil, which, you know, we get these almost in every subscription box. But you know, I don't use the same one all the time. I just reach into the drawer and whichever one I pick up. So, you know, it works out for me. And here's the most thing. This is the thing I'm most excited about. And it is the Kat Von D Divine Palette. I believe, I didn't bring my phone up here, but I believe it was like $45 or $35. I don't know. But this is what it looks like on the inside. It has a mirror. Look at the eyebrows on the mirror. I'm probably going to blind you. Right there. You see? And it just says Kat Von D and then the signature Divine. And here are the colors. As you can see, I've already swatched them. And we're going to try to do it again today. There we go. All right. So let me roll up my sleeve. And I'm going to try to do it like this. So the first color is called Babs, and it's a goldish, it looks like a shimmer, but then when you swatch it, it kind of looks like it's definitely got some glitter in it, but that's it. It's beautiful. And then the other is called Black Magic. And of course, so that tells you it's black. That's a pretty good black. It's a little on the grayish side, but, you know, not too bad. The other one is Baltimore. Of course. So it's a dark blue. And then beside it is a light blue called Waters. Also makes sense. Let me see. I've run out of fingers. There we go. Okay, so we're going to go to the next one, which is called Filthy, and it is a gray color. Almost the same color as this black, only it's a shimmer. They really look the same. And the next is this beautiful green color, and it's called Pink Flamingo. There we go, and it's green. And here's the white, it's called Female Trouble. And it's a pretty stark white in my opinion. It's not showing up on camera as much as it does. And then the next one is called Hairspray, and it is a silver glitter. I'm just going to do it right here. Now, it's a glitter, so it's not going to show up like we want it to. But there we go. Here's the other colors. I think these are wonderful colors. When I seen it when it come out, I wanted it really bad, and I just couldn't get it at the time. So I was excited to see it come in this mystery box. Mystery box was the mystery box was $19.99. So I think that I got my money's worth. I mean, I did get some samples, but I think this is definitely worth the $20. And I like all the samples I got. And I'm excited to use them. So I do feel like I got my money's worth. This is a fairly new business. It's just 1 year old. I think maybe in March. So they're getting better and better with time. And so I think check them out. You can find them on Crate Joy, or you can find them on GUZEL Beauty Box. No, it might just say GUZEL Box, GUZELbox.com. I'll leave the link down in the description. And so I'm off to my niece's, and I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.